If I could only use 2 words to describe the dish I'm about to make, they would be these: extra juicy. I'm making a lettuce cup with 3 kinds of mushrooms, and the liquidity is off the charts. You bite into this thing, and it just oozes flavor. It's amazing. And so are mushrooms. So let's make it. Life can be a struggle, but a good meal doesn't have to be. We can make creative, nutritious, and inventive dishes that won't break the bank. Welcome to Struggle Meals. It's time for some mushroom lettuce cups. I'm seeing the lettuce leaf as a beautiful vehicle into which we can put all kinds of mushrooms. We're gonna use 3 mushrooms again because that gives us even more mushroom flavor for a lower price. So new to our band of musketeers is the Portobello. It is big, it is meaty, it is a sponge ready to be influenced with flavors. So the Portobello, he's got this big chubby stem here, and if it's feeling really woody, this is not gonna be texturally pleasing, this is not gonna break down, this is not gonna be good. However, fantastic for a stock later. What I want you to do now is inspect. Look through these gills and just see if it looks super dirty. If it does, I think with a spoon you take all the gills out, because we can't really wash these in water. It's a terrible idea. But if it looks clean, I'd leave it in there. Mine's clean. I'm just gonna start slicing this nice and thin. Chop this up into an intense, the French call it duxelles. It's totally snobby, but it's just chopped up, cooked down mushroom. It's kind of what I'm going for here. Duxelles. Sounds so luxurious. I'm gonna chop up the rest of these, and we are gonna get cooking. I now present to you the Transporter 1001. Are you ready for this? Right underneath. Transporting, depositing. Blah, 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 blah. Let's heat up our skillet and get some oil in it. I got vegetable here. Some crushed red pepper from the packet drawer. This is gonna be extra spicy, but we're gonna make it even spicier with some grated ginger and some grated garlic. And the perfect tool to do that is this microplane that I got at a garage sale for $1. You could use your box grater. We can certainly use our knives. I've been doing it for like a million Struggle Meal seasons. And then we can just go, oh. Ginger peeler 97, we take a spoon and we just go like this around the knob of the ginger. Let's grate some ginger in there. Here we go. Now it's gonna feel like nothing's happening here, but underneath, surface tension. That's why the slap is so important. Let's throw the mushrooms in there. They are porous. They want to absorb flavor. This is flavor. Make it happen. Medium heat here. You can see these are shrinking down already. It's been like 2 minutes. And to me, that says it's time for the next step. Let's add out some bulk here in the form of our shredded cabbage and our carrots. All right, it's time to make our sauce / dressing. 4 soy sauce packets. Got some rice wine vinegar in there. 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons. Just a touch of the fish sauce. It's gonna give us a salty, incredible flavor. I'm a big fan of you having this on the shelf because it pretty much lasts forever. You're not gonna taste the fishiness. It's gonna be great. A little bit of sesame oil, giving us some round note, a little bit of fattiness. Let's get some sweetness, let's get some spice. Sriracha and honey. Spice, me like. And we've got the honorable honey. Okay, got spice, we got sweet. I'm gonna put that in here now. World of flavor coming on in. What a different outfit the mushrooms have on in this dish. This smells so good. Here we've got a butter lettuce, and I'm gonna look for a gorgeous piece that I can cup. Ooh, this one's nice. And here's another one. I'm putting it in my hand, and I'm slapping it in the leaf. Ooh, I feel the warmth coming right through. I'm going to have to put it down very quickly before I burn myself. Here we go, 1. Ah, there it is. We're gonna top it off with some peanuts, a little extra crunch, and something for that sesame oil to play with. Here we go. I'm gonna try it. Juicy, spicy, salty. Overall, very yummy. It's got a nice textural crunch, and when I bite into it, it explodes with flavor and juice. So this plate comes to $2.74. It's got everything I want, and once again, we are seeing the magical properties of mushrooms at work. So whether you've loved mushrooms forever, you're thinking about just getting into tasting them, I think this is your dish.